a little squirt, start mapping out where all the shapes of the houses are going to go. Sit. Spin. Good boy. Ready? Sit. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Good lad. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you liked last video. It was a quick one, wasn't it? But nevertheless, there's a new piece of art. So today, guys, I'm taking Sam for a walk. Sam, what's this? Say hello. Say hello. And he's just done 15 poos all the way down. So today, guys, we're going to be doing some more artwork. But before we do, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thank you. Word to your mum. Try and leave a little gap if you can along the paper there, so when the tape does come off, it's got sort of a little border around it. There we go. Okay. It's always important to keep a spray bottle because it's a good way of loosening up your paints when they've dried. Just give them a little squirt. There's a good tip for you. Also, spraying the paper down. Now I'm going to be using an image today that my daughter took while I was driving. She was in the passenger seat and the sun was setting and it was very nice, had a nice orange glow about it. So yeah, I liked the picture. I thought let's use that for a painting for today. Thank you, Jenna, my little daughter. I'm going to change things a little bit with the picture. There's things in there I don't really want. The car on the right hand side, the bottom, I'm not going to bother including that. But I am going to use the trees that are shadowed and the shape of the houses and pretty much the sort of the colours that the sky's making and the movement. So we'll try and start with the blues at the top first. So I'm using my Windsor and Newton paints today, watercolours. Small palette but nice. I like these blues. So we'll start off with a little bit of this and we're going to chuck in a little bit of red just to darken that up slightly for the top of the sky. I'm probably using the wrong brush here, so I might change it up actually to a bigger flat brush with a bit more water on to cover more area. This orange has got to come right down here because we can go back over it when it's dry. Yellow ochre in there as well. Bring this down. That's it. A little bit of dark in there to suggest the bottom of moving clouds. Okay, so we're going to leave that to dry now. Come on then, Pooey head. Come on. Come on, Floppy. Well, I'm back from my walk with the dog. This is now dry, so let's get the next lot of paint down. Start mapping out where all the shapes of the houses are going to go and the dark and shadow of the trees. So I'm going to stop talking now and I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the music and watch me paint and finish this. See you in a bit. So there I'm using a small round brush just to do the outline of the buildings because it's a sharp point, and I will be using a flat brush to do a larger surface with dark colour, and then I'll be using a large round brush which holds a lot of water, which I can use to cover a lot more area like parts of the trees and whatever. Probably going to turn out a bit of a mess because normally when you put in dark shadows in, that tends to happen, so we'll see. But either way, it doesn't matter because art's art, isn't it, really? What am I talking about? And then of course it's just putting the detail in with a pencil, just highlighting some of the areas, adding a few birds on the telegraph poles and adding a little bit of extra branches on the trees, just putting a few little finishing touches to it, and then I'll call it done. So I hope you liked today's painting. It was quick, it was easy, and it kind of didn't work because it didn't turn out quite how I wanted, but it's all live and learn, and you have a go. Tell me what you think, see if you can do better. I'm sure you can, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, and also do me a favour.
Give me a word to your mum, word to your dad, word to your sister, word to your brother, word to your bloody teacher. Coming at ya.